Hi friends, this session we have to see how to create the table maintenance generator, that means TMG. Last session we have to see how to create the maintenance view and help view. For this session we have to see how to create the table maintenance generator. Okay, table maintenance generator is a tool. Okay, that means the table maintenance program we have to maintain the custom table. We have edit, add, delete entries for the custom table. Okay, now let's see how to create the table maintenance generator. Go to the transaction code SC7, go to the database table, which I am already created the database table. Go to change mode. This is already I am created, and I also created the contents also. Okay, now we can execute it. This is the contents of the table I have created already. Now I am edit the contents. It is not possible. Directly you can go to the contents or you can't edit. Okay, can't edit the contents. Not possible. Okay, so that is the reason only we have created the TMG. Then only you have edit, change, delete the data, data entries. Okay, now you can go to the utilities, table maintenance generator, and I can give the authorization group ampersand NC. We can give the function group like same name, function group, and we can go the maintenance type on step. Overview screen is true. Now we can go to the find screen number. Propose screen number. Now I can click create. Local object. Save it. Now you have created the TMG for this table. Okay. We can't edit the table entries before when we don't create the TMG. Now you can create the TMG and you can edit the data also. Okay, now you can go to contents, execute, or you can go to utilities, table maintain, table contents, create entries. Yeah, this is the way we have to edit the data, and you can give to the new entries also. We have create the new entries, and you delete the entries, and you have changed the entries. It is possible once you have created the TMG. Okay, you can go to the transaction code SM30, and this is the table view. You can give the table name. Okay, now you can click the maintain button. The data locked user to can be displayed only. Do you want to display locked data? Yes. This is the another way to edit the data because I'm already used to the screen. Okay, go back. Yes. Now it will be worked. Okay. This is the another way to edit the data. SM30 is the transaction code. Okay. This is the way how to TMG was created, and we have edit the custom table, edit, change, display. Okay, this is the records we will see. Click the contents. You can edit the data like table contents, create entries. Yeah. Now it will be possible. So this is the way how to create the TMG. And thank you for my new subscribers. Subscribe my channel. Thank you. We will see next videos in my next class. Okay. Thank you so much.